Hello guys, welcome to Coding Cafe. My name is Mohammed Ali, and in this video we will set up the Flutter SDK in our Windows operating system. We will download and install the Flutter SDK step by step, so please follow me step by step. So let's start. So first of all, open your favorite browser, just go to google.com and simply search for Flutter. Okay, simply search for Flutter. You will see this, which is the flutter.dev. okay, just click on it. You can also come here to this page directly by simply typing this URL, flutter.dev. Here you have to simply click on this get started button, and then here you will see this Windows button. So click on this Windows, and now here you will see this download button, which is Flutter Windows. Okay, this one .zip file. So just click on it, and now here you can see the download has been started, and now we have to wait for it. It will take some 5 to 10 minutes depending upon on your internet speed. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, the download has been completed successfully. So if we go to the downloads folder, and in my downloads folder, this is the file that we just downloaded. Okay, this is our Flutter SDK zip file. So you have to simply cut this, okay, and then go to the C drive. Inside the C drive, we have to simply paste it. Click on continue. So here you can see we have moved it to the C drive. Now you can simply right click on Flutter Windows, okay, on this file, and click on extract here. Click yes. So it is now extracting. As you can see, this is this folder which name is Flutter. This is basically our SDK. So let's wait for it. So the Flutter SDK has been added successfully in our C drive, which is this one, okay, this folder Flutter. If you go inside the Flutter, then inside the bin, okay, now here just click here and copy this path. After this, you can simply open up the environment variables, okay, just write here envi, and you will see this edit the system environment variables. Just click on it and then click on environment variables, and double click on this path and click new, and just Control B, okay, paste this path here, which is C Flutter bin. Okay, I hope you can see it, which we just copied. Then click OK, and click OK. Now the next thing is to download and install the Git, okay, which is necessary. So let's download it. You can simply Google for Git download, and you will see this, which is downloads Git. Just click on it, and here you will see this download for Windows. Just click on it, and the download will automatically start. Okay, I mean, you have to simply click on save button. So as you can see, it is now downloading. It will take a minute or two depending upon on your internet speed. So let's wait for it. So the Git has been downloaded successfully. Now let's go to the downloads folder. Okay, double click on this file which we just downloaded, the git.x file, which is, and now let's install it. So you have to simply click on next, 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 next button. Okay, click again, next, 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 and then click on install. So it has been installed successfully. Okay, so let's close this, and now the next thing is you can simply search for, okay, Google for Android Studio. and you will see this one, which is download Android Studio and SDK tools. So click on it, and now you can simply click on download Android Studio. You have to read this documentation, okay, and then click on this I have read and agree with above terms and conditions. Check this and click on download Android Studio, and just click on save. So you can see the download has been started. Now let's wait for it. It will take some time as usual, depending upon on your internet speed. So Android Studio also, it has been downloaded successfully. Now let's go to the downloads folder, double click on this Android Studio file, and let's install it. So you have to simply click on next, click next, and then click install. So let's wait for it. Now you can simply click next and then click on finish. Make sure to choose this one, which is do not import settings, and click OK. Click on don't send, and then click next. Choose this custom and then click next. Click next. Now what is your favorite theme? You can choose, okay, from here. I use black, this one is okay, which is Dracula, a black theme, so I choose this and then click next. Click next, click next, and then click finish. So now it is going to download and install all the required components related to Android Studio. So let's wait for it. It will take some time, some 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, the Android Studio has been installed successfully. Now you can simply click on this finish button. Now the next step is basically to click on this more actions button, okay, and then click on SDK manager, and make sure that in the appearances here we have this system settings, and in here we have this Android SDK. I hope you can see it. Okay, make sure to click on this Android SDK, then click on SDK tools, and then here you will see this one, which is Android SDK command line tools latest. Okay, this one, Android SDK command line tools. Just select this and click apply and click OK. Now it is going to install it. Okay, click accept and then click next, and is now going to install this. Okay, so we have to wait for 2 or 3 minutes. So it has been installed successfully. Now you can simply click on finish and then click on apply and then click OK. Now you can close the Android Studio for now, okay, and now go back to your browser, and all we need is just to install the last thing, which is basically Google Chrome browser. If you have already installed it, then you can just simply watch the video. Okay, just download Google Chrome browser. Download Chrome, accept and install. So it has been installed. Let's go to the downloads folder, double click on Chrome setup in order to install the Google Chrome. So the Google Chrome has been installed successfully, as you can see here. Okay, so yeah, now open up the command prompt, and all you need is just to run this command, okay, which is flutter config dash dash android dash studio dash dir equals to, inside the double quotes, c:/program file/android studio. I hope you can see it. By the way, I will provide this command down in the asset as well as in the description, so you can just copy this command and just paste it here and press enter. Okay, that's it. So simple and so easy. Now you have to simply restart your computer. So let me just restart my computer. So my computer has been restarted successfully. Now let's open up the command prompt and let's run the command again, which is flutter doctor. Press enter. So yeah, here you can see the issues has been fixed successfully. Now the last thing which is to do is basically to accept the license, okay, for Android Studio. So here you will see this as a suggestion, which is this, okay. To resolve this, run this command, which is flutter doctor dash dash android licenses, okay. So just copy this command, or you can also type it like this, flutter doctor dash dash android dash licenses, then press enter. Here you can see it will ask to accept, so write Y, yes, okay, accept Y, so write Y, press enter, write Y, press enter, write Y, press enter, okay, write Y, press enter, accept, okay. So yeah, that's it. So simple and so easy. Now let's run the Flutter doctor again, and now all the issues has been solved successfully. So our Flutter has been installed successfully, as you can see here. Now we have to create our first Flutter project using Android Studio. So let's open up the Android Studio, and all you need is just to click on this plugins, okay. We have to install the Flutter plugin in order to develop Flutter applications, okay. So just search for Flutter here and you will see this, okay, this first one, which is Flutter, okay. Just click on install, accept, click on install. Now you can simply click on this restart IDE button and click on restart. And after the restart, you will see this button which is create new Flutter project, okay. So just click on this create new Flutter project whenever you want to create a brand new Flutter project, okay. And here you can see Flutter SDK path. For the first time we have to navigate to our Flutter SDK, okay. So we have to set the path basically. So just click on this icon, and as you know, inside the C drive I have installed my Flutter SDK, which is this one, okay. So C Flutter and click OK, and then click next. Now here we have to provide our package name, okay. The name of the project must be in small English alphabets. Now one thing which I want to mention here is that some of you will want to save your project, let's say on the desktop, or in, let's say, in D drive or anywhere, okay. So for example, if I want to change my project location, then first I have to do it, okay. For example, I want to save my new project, which I will create now in front of you guys on my desktop. So I will simply click here on this icon, and then I will simply navigate to the desktop, which is this one, okay. So I will simply click OK. Okay, as you can see, now any project which I will create in the future or now, it will be saved to the desktop. So here you have to notice one thing, okay. First of all, for example, I'm going to create my first app, okay, first_app, okay. So remember, the name of the project must be in small English alphabets, and there must be no extra space. Instead of space, you can use this underscore, okay, as you can see on your screen. And for the first time, make sure to write here slash, okay, and then the project name, which is first underscore app, okay. I hope you can see it, okay. For the first time, make sure to write the project name here after the path also, okay. And then yes, click finish, click create. Creating Flutter project, and as you can see, it has been created on the desktop. So this is for the first time when you want to create your first brand new Flutter project. Let's wait for it. It is still loading. I mean creating and downloading something related to our first underscore app Flutter project. So for the first time, it will open this readme by default, okay. Here you can see, make sure that you have selected this project, okay, otherwise it is selected already by default, okay. But just to let you know, guys, inside the lib we have main dot basically where we have our default code, and basically here we add our code files inside the lib folder. So this is for the testing, okay. This is our first app. Now let's create another project which we will test also, okay, because I want to show you guys the path. Let's close this and create another Flutter project. So now when you want to create another Flutter project, all you need is just to click on this create new Flutter project, okay. Now the path is automatically selected, okay, the SDK path. You have to just click on next, and here now when I write my project name, for example, this time I'm going to create second app, okay. Here you will see that whenever I'm typing here, it is automatically writing here, okay. So now for the second time, there is no need to write manually the project name to the location, project location, okay. For example, here you can see second app, so it is automatically writing the name here alongside with the project location, okay. So this is what I want to mention to you guys, okay. My second app, for example, my second app. Remember, the name must be in small English alphabets, and there must no extra space. Avoid extra spaces. Let's click finish. So wow, we have just created two Flutter projects, okay. Now this time, of course, we will run it on the mobile phone. So let's go to the lib. On the lib we have main dot where basically our default code is written. And now let's open up the Android emulator from here, okay. So we have not yet created. Let's create a new one. Click on this create virtual device, and then select this one, which is Pixel XL, okay. Click next, and then we have to download the API. So download the API level 30, okay. So just click on it, and it is now downloading the API level, okay. So let's say if you are watching this video in the future, that is, let's say in 2022 or 2023, then any new API level, okay, which is at the topmost. For example, currently it is API 30, okay. So that's why I click on this one, because it is the latest one, okay, latest one. So anyways, let's just wait for it. It will take some 5 to 6 minutes. So it has been installed successfully, okay. Now you can simply select this API level 30, then click next, and then click finish. So our Android emulator has been created successfully. Now you can simply click on this play button in order to open it. Here you can see it. So yes, we are ready now to test our application. So you have to simply click on this play button in order to install the app, this Flutter default app on our phone. So the app is running now, as you can see here. And wow, congratulations, you have created your first Flutter application.